Meaning of handiwork.
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 Handiwork. The term handiwork refers to something that has been made by hand, often with great skill or craftsmanship. This can include items such as pottery, woodworking, needlework, or other forms of traditional crafts. Handiwork is often associated with a sense of pride in one's work and a recognition of the value of the time and effort put into creating something unique and handmade. These items can be both functional and decorative, and are often treasured for their beauty and the personal touch they bring to a home or other setting.